Hi, I'm Stubbs. Welcome to my fitness channel, Fit for 80. T-shirt says it all because I'm going to shortly be 80. So I'd like to be as fit as possible in a few weeks' time when I get to 80. So today I'm going to work on my arms and shoulders. I'm going to use what I call a mini circuit, a wee circuit actually. And it's good because it's small movements and I find it very helpful. I've got my little medicine ball and it's 8 pounds, 3 kilos, but you've got bags of sugar or water bottles or whatever you have at home that's helpful to use and sensible to use. So I'm going to start now, having done my 5 minutes warm up to get my heart rate up. So 3 exercises and each one is done 8 times. And the first one is a bicep curl. You can use a ball or a chair, but I think I'll use a ball today. I am conscious that people don't have gyms, so if you haven't got a ball, you just use a chair. So 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sure you noticed I was keeping my shoulders quite tightly into my side while I did that. Now I'm going to do shoulder press. So I'm going to do 8 of those now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the front raise, again 8 of those, still using my ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've done my 3 sets, and when the camera is off I'm probably going to do quite a few more. I quite like doing this in the park actually. It's quite nice outdoors if you've got a bottle of water. You might get some funny looks, but I don't think so, and it is helping your arms and your shoulders. So if you liked my video, Fit for 80, please subscribe, follow or comment. See you soon. Bye bye.